Hi, boys and girls. For the next 3 weeks, we are going to be learning about space. Do you know what space is? Space is like what's up in the sky. It could be the moon, it could be stars, it could be. Did you know there's planets up there? Really? Yeah, there are. And we live on a planet. Do you know what our planet is? It's the planet Earth. How cool is that? There's also rocks up there called asteroids and comets that are kind of like shooting stars, all kinds of stuff. Maybe someday one of you will be an astronaut, a space traveler, and I will say, oh, I knew them when they were 4 and 5 years old in pre-K. I would be so proud of you. Okay? So, we are going to start our space theme by reading this book. This is called Planets, and it's a solar system book. Okay? It is written by Ellen Hasbrook, illustrated by Scott McDougall. Look at all those planets. This is our planet. This is Earth right here. Okay? Oh, let's see. Does it make one whole page? Nope. 2 different pages. All right, I'm going to go to the side here so you can see. What do you think this is? Yeah, that's the sun. It says, this is the sun shining so bright, giving us the energy of heat and light. Did you know that the sun is a star? Yeah. And look, this is all of the like clouds and the stars that are out in space. Look, there's just a little tiny page right here. How cute is that? Next is Mercury. That's the first planet in the solar system. Catching sun's rays, it has cold, cold nights and hot, hot days. And it circles the sun that shines so bright, giving us the energy of heat and light. Now there's another planet. So here's Mercury. There's the sun still. There's Mercury. Now here is Venus. It's followed by Venus, cloudy and dry, the brightest planet in the night sky. Right after Mercury, catching sun's rays, it has cold, cold nights and hot, hot days. So Venus is this is planet 1, is the second planet. Planet 2. Look, there's another little page. Oh, do you know what that is? That's our Earth. What's this thing right here? That's the moon. All right, let's see. This is our home, our planet, our Earth, the cradle of life, the place of our birth. Lined up behind Venus, cloudy and dry, the brightest planet in the night sky. Let's see what comes after Earth, our planet. Looks like a little orange. This is Mars with its dry iron crust. It glows in the sky, the color of rust, which is like a orangey brownish red. Poised after our planet, our home, our Earth, the cradle of life, the place of our birth. And look at all these stars that are out here. Let's see what planet comes next. So wait, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 planets so far. Ooh, look at this one. This has a lot of moons, this planet. Let's see what this planet is. Giant Jupiter, swirling and hot, is a ball of gas with a great red spot, which is after Mars with its dry, thin crust. It glows in the sky, the color of rust. So I want you to take a good look. Look at how many moons Jupiter has around it. That's a lot of moons. We only have 1 on Earth. Ooh, look at this one. This one has rings. Next comes Saturn with its beautiful rings, spinning through space on circular wings, which falls behind Jupiter, swirling and hot, a ball of gas with a great red spot. And they say that red spot is a big storm on Jupiter. Let's see what planet is next. Oh, it's a blue one. Uranus is a planet that's tipped on its side, circling the sun on a lopsided ride. Right after Saturn with its beautiful rings, spinning through space on circular wings. Look at that. Oh, look, Saturn has some moons too. And Uranus has a ton of moons too, and a little tiny ring around it. Huh. Let's see. Here is Neptune. Oh, that's kind of blue too. Here is Neptune traveling through space, trading places with Pluto in a celestial race, which comes after Uranus tipped on its side, circling the sun on a lopsided ride. So I think that Uranus and Neptune kind of look a little bit alike, and they're about the same size, I think. Let's see how many planets we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, here is a tricky thing, because when I was a little girl, and not too many years ago, when your parents were little girls and boys too, Pluto, this planet right here, was a planet. Then a bunch of scientists decided that Pluto was not really a planet anymore. So they kind of X'd Pluto out. He's still there, but Mrs. Fredericks is going to read you a book about Pluto tomorrow. So this book I bought when Pluto was still a planet. So let's see what it says about Pluto. Pluto is last, mysterious and small, a dark, rocky planet, a distant ice ball, following Neptune, traveling through space, trading places with Pluto in a celestial race. So, because now Pluto is gone, he's still in space, but they've decided he's not a planet like these other bigger planets. There's 8 planets. When I was a little girl, and when your moms and dads were little boys and girls, Pluto was a planet. So here is a picture of the sun. This is the universe. This is everything that exists in our space. And the solar system is what you call the solar system is what's inside the universe. It's very hard to understand, guys. Comets are balls of ice, dirt, and gas that enter and exit the inner solar system. Let's see, it talks about the sun, and then there's the sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and then Pluto. So this is a really cool book to introduce you to space. We will talk some more about space tomorrow, and for the next 3 weeks, you're going to be doing a project about space every day. I hope you like the projects and the math activities that Mrs. Fredericks and I have come up with. Thanks for listening to my book.